Hi friends, let me show you this new golf ball marker that I received for viewing purposes. It is great. If you play golf, you know that in these kind of markers, you can put, well, any kind of message, or you can have any kind of message that you like. These markers are great because they come with this magnetic clip that you can put in your golf cap. Okay. And let me show you. This one, it's so nice, it's so funny. It says, go home ball, okay? So it's kind of what we all golf players want. The ball to go home, to go to the hole, okay? So the marker goes here. It keeps there while you are playing. It's really, really strong magnet, okay? And when you're in the green, you have to mark your ball. You just grab it like this and mark your ball, okay? So I think it is a nice marker. It's funny also. It's a great option for a gift. Go home ball. Perfect. Let's go to the green.